The next thing I'm going to drizzle on the fish is some coconut oil. To the fish, and this is just gonna burn up and just give it a really nice and smoky taste. So the fish is now ready for baking, and you'll bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 30 minutes. This will also depend on the amount of fish that you have. Or when you notice that it's nice and brown, then it's ready for serving. Like mine is now ready. As you guys can see, it looks super delicious. So you can always serve this with ugali, you can serve this with some French fries, whatever works for you. As you can see, it looks amazing, it smells heavenly, and it's super delicious. I really do hope that you guys are going to subscribe so that you're able to refer to this recipe anytime you want to make this easy baked fish fillet. It's so delicious, it's so yummy, guys. I really want you to try it out, and if you're not yet subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, because you never know who might need it. Don't forget to give my video a like, because your like really helps to grow my channel, and leave a comment down below, give me more recipe ideas, and I really do hope that I'll be able to see you guys in my next video.